coming to Satya.
Yeah.
So if you had to work with any other big projects or any other particular genre in Telugu film industry, apart from Hindi or any other language, especially Telugu, would it be in a villain role or a hero role?
No, not specific genre. No, I'm open for every genre.
Everything.
Yeah,
Everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Web series, movies.
क्या सोच के इंडस्ट्री के लिए आया था? Do you want to be a hero or a villain?
Not hero. Like अभी का जो टाइम है वो चेंज हो गया है. अभी की ऑडियंस चेंज, जनरेशन चेंज हुआ, ऑडिशन चेंज, वो टाइम चेंज हुआ. देन 90s का टाइम अलग था. हीरो लोगों का माइंडसेट है, हीरो एक हैंडसम बॉय है, फेयर है, हाइटेड है, डांस करता है, लोगों को सेव करता है, तो वो हीरो है. बट अभी पब्लिक का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू चेंज हो रहा है. अभी पब्लिक समझ रही है एक्टिंग है. एक्टिंग कौन बेटर कर रहा है वो मैटर करता है ना, नॉट हीरो या विलन.
बिल्कुल. अगर एक बार फिल्म में हीरो हो गया तो सारे फिल्म्स हीरो ही होना पड़ता.
90s में, नॉट नाउ.
नॉट नाउ?
Yeah, not now. Depends on, it's star is different ना. Like अभी अगर मैं हीरो का किया अभी इसमें, अगर नेक्स्ट मूवी में हीरो गया, then अगर नेक्स्ट मूवी में विलन कर सकता हूँ, like Surya and many actors in Bollywood, like Arjun Kapoor. मतलब depends ना.
Okay.
तो अभी कोई एरा नहीं है कि अभी like हीरो गया तो हीरो ही करना.
Okay.
सब एक्टर्स हैं इनको करना है. और कुछ एक्टर्स हैं लाइक अभी सूर्या ने रोलेक्स का कैरेक्टर किया
जी,
बट उससे पहले वो हीरो का ही कैरेक्टर करता था. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो विलन का कैरेक्टर नहीं किया.
पर रोलेक्स में भी
डिपेंड्स
हीरो
ऑन
था.
इट्स हां वही का जॉनर डिफरेंट है, लाइक अ प्लॉट एंड स्टोरी डिफरेंट है. वो रोलेक्स विलन अपने माइंड में तो हीरो ही होता है ना.
सही है. तो
अभी
अगर
लाइक मैं किट्टू किया मैंने, तो अपने माइंडसेट में मैं भी हीरो हूं.
Yeah.
किट्टू के माइंडसेट
Everybody is a hero in their own life.
विलन इज अ हीरो.
every villain is a hero.
Yeah. In
In their life.
In their life.
Personal life. You meant. Okay, got it. So if can you say that people who are below 18 can also watch Sari?
If the theaters allow.
Of course, but then do we have any vulgar or A certified content in Sari?
No, it is got a certificate.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's a very subjective thing. Different board
story
members
requires
and
that.
different. No, the story requires that based on the censor board's perception. The censor board is a very outdated system.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as a team, how is it working for the Sari? And then why do you want to make Sari and then show it to people that you have to, actually get some inspiration from Sari or something? Or if people like or do not like, how would you take that response?
So why did you want to become an anchor? Why did you decide to interview us? Why are you working for big TV? If you tell me these three, then I will tell the answer.
Of course, I have answers for them.
Okay, tell me.
Why I became an anchor?
Anchor?
Because after I did my graduation, journalism, psychology, and political science. So the next stream would be anchoring and news reading. And then why I had to interview you, because I was very passionate to know about your personality and your thoughts, because the reels that I was scrolling in, and RGV sir is portrayed in a very different way to the society. He doesn't care, he doesn't give a about anyone, and then every answer he gives gets a thumb life, it's just like a thug life and all.
And you're
I just
the
want to
only
see.
anchor I met. Can I tell you something? When I said I don't fear fuck about it, you're also using that word. I never saw an anchor doing that. I really appreciate that.
Thank you. I mean,
Yeah.
taking your inspiration again. That's the reason I wanted to interview you in a person, and then know your inputs, and then why is he like this? What made him to be like this? Why is RGV like this today? So, did you get the answers for all the questions?
I think so. Yeah.
Now tell me your answers, sir.
Yeah, no, I forgot the question. What is your question?
As a movie,
Yeah.
if people like or dislike, how would, as a team, you want to respond to it?
I mean, you see, that is what I'm saying. I don't think there's any film which will be uniformly liked, uniformly disliked. There will be various degrees. Someone will like it very good. Someone will think it's okay. Someone will think second half is good. Somebody will think Satya is better than Aradhya. Somebody will think Aradhya is better. All of them will have different opinions.
Opinion. Okay.
Yeah. So I have so much of experience for so many years that doesn't surprise me anymore. Yeah. So and once the film is over, I stop thinking about it. I don't get back into that.
Okay. Any response, you're ready to take it.
Yeah.
Be it
I mean,
a
there's
hit
no
or
other
flop.
choice. What else
Their
do you
choice.
do? Yeah.
Okay. Don't you feel that it's waste of producers' money or something, because they put a lot of efforts to make this film
But
a
that's
hit?
what I'm saying. But you already done, na?
It's already
Yeah.
done. You can't change it.
Yeah.
so.
When you can't change what you've done, you already done. It is stupid to think back on it.
Okay. What is your thought about piracy?
See, piracy is something which is a function of a world we are living in. It is a part of the ecosystem. You know. So when you already know, and piracy has been there for the last 40 years, it's not a new thing.
Yep.
So you should take it the way it is. Like you want to go somewhere and starts heavily raining, you can't do anything about it. So what's the point of thinking about the rain? Yeah. So same thing. Piracy will be there. Will always be there. Yeah.
You don't say it to encourage or not to do
But
anything?
to start with, I was a pirate myself. I started my life in video piracy. Yeah, I had a video library, no?
How would you want to describe yourself?
No, see, I had a video library. I used to hire pirated video cassettes. So I myself am a pirate, so you can't ask me that.
So you can't tell people to watch this film into theaters
No.
because
I will not
you
tell
encourage
that.
piracy.
I will not tell that because I don't think people are dumb. If I tell, please don't watch in piracy, please watch. We worked so hard, we spent a lot of money, and only please buy a ticket. And if you think anybody will listen to that, no one can be more dumber than that.
got it.
Yeah.
Got it. I can't ask a lot of questions to you, sir. Come on. You're making me. All right. Thank you so much, Team Sari. We'll love to watch you. You working hard. We'll love to watch Aradhya being a very debut actress, and also hero Satya. We'll see and look forward how you can portray the character 100%, and we'll watch the film. How will that impact the society? What message does RGB give with the film Sari? We'll be waiting until it's March 21st. Thank you so much for giving time.
Thank you.
ఎస్ దట్స్ అబౌట్ శారీ. సో ఆర్జీవి గారు చెప్పినట్లు మేము ఇది చేయాలి అని చెప్తే ఎవరు చేయరు, విచ్ ఇస్ 100% ట్రూ. సేమ్ ఇన్ హిస్ వర్డ్స్, ఈరోజు ఈయన ఈ మూవీ చేశారు, శారీ అనే ఒక డిఫరెంట్ టైటిల్ కూడా కాంట్రాస్ట్గా పెట్టారు అంటే జరుగుతున్న సిచ్యువేషన్స్ అన్నిటినీ మైండ్లో పెట్టుకొని ఈ మూవీ తీయడం జరిగింది. మీరు అందరూ రిలేట్ అయ్యే మూవీ కాబట్టి ఐ వుడ్ పర్సనలీ సే యూ ప్లీజ్ గో అండ్ వాచ్ ఇట్ in theaters on March 21st. Even if you don't, even if I say or not say, you guys to go and watch. That is your choice, as RGV sir said. So we'll be waiting to watch Aradhya's and also the debutant, both actor and actress Satya and Aradhya's performance in theaters. Welcome Sari on March 21st.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.